Hi guys and girls, welcome to my channel, Darula Festival Survival Channel. God bless you all, I thank God for the grace. And in today's really short and sweet video, it's going to be all about these books right here, these 3 books I picked up recently. I'm just going to tell you where I got them, how much they are, fantastic deal, so stick around and I'll tell you a bit more. Welcome back guys and girls. Now, I've got a quick little heads up for you guys, especially if you're living in London, the UK. I picked up these 3 books right here, fantastic deal, 75% sale and 75% off, the allotment month by month. Okay, grow your own fruit and vegetables, know what to do when. I picked it up for £7 guys, usually it's about £17.99. So I saved £11 there. The Pocket Full of Herbs and A to Z by Jekka McVicker. I picked this up for £4. Normally that was about £12.99 and I picked it up for £4 by Jekka McVicker right there. Tells you all different types of herbs, medicinal uses for the herbs, and lots of information, very useful information, what the herbs look like. It's got loads of pictures in there, and you know, the uses of herbs. For £4, comes in a fantastic little book. You can easily stick that in your bug out bag. Okay, very useful, your inch bag, and never coming home kit, or just for everyday use at home, everyday carry, for something for a read. They're useful. A pocket full of herbs and A to Z. £4 for that guys. Right, so also grow your own, grow all you can, eat in a 3 square feet in a tight space. You know, you can grow loads of different fruit and veg, okay, so, or vegetables rather. This gives you loads of inventive ideas for growing food in small spaces. Again, loads of useful information, loads of pictures, fantastic little book. You know, the benefits of raised beds. Just want to give a shout out to Sapper Gardener out there. You know who you are, Robert, God bless you. And everyone else, God bless you all. Thanks for the support. I hope you're all well. I hope you're having a good weekend. So yeah, carrying on with their raised beds. Like I was saying, Robert knows about raised beds. You know, we've got loads of good ideas in here. What you can grow, information, times of the year to grow the stuff. Also talks about insects, useful insects, beneficial insects. Don't forget the bee, guys and girls. The bees are very, they pollinate the food for us. So basically it's got a load of ideas, planting combinations, caring for your plants. Don't just reuse and recycle, reinvent. As you can see, there's containers right here. Fantastic looking ideas using old containers, old drums and stuff like that. Which I thought was a fantastic book. I picked it up for £4 guys, and basically shows you how to use old pallets to make raised beds, which I thought was a fantastic idea. Really good book, I tell you what. I'm so happy that I bought this. Excuse me, even using guttering, if you can see that in the picture there, how to use a gutter for planting stuff as well. Really got some amazing ideas. And for £4 you can't go wrong, okay? And also again shows you how to grow in 3 square feet of space, how you can grow different stuff, okay? And now you might be in an area where you haven't got a lot of space. I live in a flat, haven't got a great deal of space, but I do have a little garden out the back. I will be doing a video on that soon, so watch this space. But there we go. Just got loads of ideas in here. Okay, loads of pictures, loads of information, raised beds, very useful sowing annual herbs as well to go along with that herb book. Crop planner gives you the time of the years, you know, fruit, vegetables, a guide to the icons right here, different ways of putting stuff together. So yeah, again, I picked this book up for £4. It was £12.99, so I made a saving of £11 right there. Hold on a sec, £12.99, I picked it up for £4. So yes, £9 saving on that. £11 saving on this one. This one was £17.99. I picked it up for £7, so that's £11 saving there. £9 there, that's £20. £20 saving, and plus there we got, this is £12.99, so £9. £29, guys, saving of £29 for 3 books. I picked them up for £15. Okay, book events. Now let me come round here just to show you the card. Hopefully it'll come into focus. Book events right there. Now they're having another event for those of you that are in London, UK. You might be able to do mail order. Check them out. There's the phone number of the guy right there. Okay, book events it's called. Now on the on the 12th of July, they're going to have another 75% off sale. Fantastic deal. You can't go wrong with that. This bookstore's been established since 1988, and basically they sell to bigger companies so that the employees have good books to read. So there we have it, guys. Just a quick heads up. Let me move this book along for you so it's in the picture nicely there. So thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you a heads up. Check them out, guys. Book events. For a great deal. See you all in the next video. Take care.